ready to launch your own thriving newsletter and connect with your audience like never before. Let's dive into building yours with Beehiiv. First, head over to Beehiiv.com and click that Get Started Free button. You'll be prompted to create an account using your email and a strong password. This is your gateway to a powerful newsletter platform. Once logged in, Beehiiv's setup wizard will guide you. Give your newsletter a catchy and descriptive name. Write a compelling summary that tells people what you're all about, and choose relevant categories to help readers discover you. Now let's make it yours. Navigate to the Customize section. This is where you'll upload your logo, choose your brand colors, and select fonts to create a professional and visually appealing newsletter that reflects your unique style. Time to create your first issue. Click on the Content tab and then the Create New Post button. This opens up Beehiiv's intuitive editor, where you can write your text, add images, and even embed videos. Craft your content with care. Use the editor's tools to format your text, insert engaging visuals, and ensure your message is clear and impactful. Think about what your subscribers will love reading. Once your masterpiece is ready, you have two options: send now to deliver it immediately to your subscribers, or schedule it for a future date and time. Beehiiv makes sending your newsletter a breeze. And just like that, your first newsletter is on its way. You've successfully navigated the setup and launched your very own publication. Congratulations, and onward to building your engaged community.